Hey everyone, this is Captain Andy with Preferred Yachts. Today I'm in Pensacola, Florida aboard a new listing of mine. This is a 1999 Hunter 380. It's been completely re-rigged and it has an amazing layout. The aft cabin is an athwartship queen mattress with a walk-through access to the head. Really an amazing boat, ready for her next adventure. Come aboard, let's check it out.
There's so much to love about this Hunter 380. The headline certainly is a brand new rig, replaced in 2023. There's such a great peace of mind knowing this vessel is ready to go for her next adventure. As you can see here, we have a dinghy davit system and a walk-through transom. Really great boarding from the dock or from a dinghy. As you can see, there's a telescoping swim ladder and a large single helm. The electronics package has been recently upgraded. Check my listing for more details. There's a Raymarine multi-display. We have deep lockers to port and starboard. Of course, the Hunter integrated traveler arch that they're so well known for. This is an in-mast furling main, and so you have the convenience and simplicity offered by that. 2 speed winches on either side of the companionway, and nice line and winch handle lockers. Moving to the port side deck, you'll see the cleanliness offered by the B&R rig. Flush hatches and port lights. Again, the in-mast furling main. And furling Genoa. Here is our anchor locker with powered anchor windlass. Looking aft, you'll see again those port lights and deadlights. When we're down below, you'll understand just how much natural light is brought into the interior. We do have a solar panel both above the companionway and a secondary unit above the davits, with room for more. Really wonderful circular shaped cockpit here. Just helps keep the area super social. Not pictured, but included in the sale are a set of custom cockpit cushions. Stepping down over the bridge deck, we have our first view of this wonderful interior that Hunter is known for. This is a 2-cabin, 1-head layout with a galley to starboard. You have a gimbaled 3-burner stove and oven, as well as a top-loading fridge and freezer. Here is that head to port. You do have a bench seat that covers the toilet so that you can sit if you're showering underway. And of course, through that door is access to the aft master cabin. Below this companionway is the Yanmar engine. Check my listing for pictures. We have our galley to starboard with a double stainless sink. Really great use of storage. There's even a microwave. And again, for a 38-foot boat, this is a wonderful use of space. It is a full beam-to-beam master cabin. That bed being sideways is called an athwartship arrangement, and it does help you maximize use of space. Plenty of storage, hanging lockers, Below this mirror is access to the aft side of the engine as well as the propeller shaft. Really, really great engine access from pretty much every angle you would need to get to. Again, moving forward through the galley, we have some storage above the sinks. And then here is the salon with U-shaped settee to starboard. Table does lower to offer an additional berth, and bench seating to port. Also to port is an aft-facing nav desk, TV on a swiveling hinge, and the breaker panel for both 12-volt and 120-volt service. As we move forward, we have a guest cabin in the V-berth. This is a private enclosed area. As you see, to starboard is a set of louvered doors that can be opened for ventilation or closed for privacy. This cabin also features a separate vanity with wash basin. Here's one more look aft. Really great layout here that Hunter has designed in a sub 40-foot package.
Thanks again for watching this walkthrough video. If you have any questions about this or any of my listings, please contact me at the number below.